Today I am going to talk about what is VAPT and why Indian enterprise get it wrong. Let me share one pattern I keep seeing across Indian enterprises. Most leaders think VAPT is just a tool, a scan it and is not. It is not. VAPT stands for Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing. There's a new word, not a new word. They are related but very different. Vulnerability assessment identifies weakness, where penetration testing proves whether those weaknesses can actually be exploited. One find problem and the other proves real risk. The issue is not VAPT itself, it is how it consumed. In many Indian manufacturing and BFSI organizations, VAPT is treated as a compliance report. A PDF is generated, shared on email, and then forgotten while the exposure stay open. Recently, during a VAPT for a manufacturing company in Maharashtra, they had already passed a scan earlier that year, but our manual testing still uncovered high risk ERP vulnerabilities, excessive internal access points, no real attack path validation, on paper compliant, in reality exposed. That exposure translated to a potential 3 to 5 crore downtime risk and DP Act liability as well, despite viability already done. Key takeaway what I can say here, what CIA need to understand from day one. VA is not PT. Both are required. Tools find issue, humans validate risk. VAPT must map to real attacker path. Report don't reduce the risk. Fixes do. So if your VAPT ends with report submission, you are only measuring risk, not reduced it. Do you treat VAPT as a compliance or as a real defense? Think loudly. If you want, I can also help you there, or my team can also help you there to understand these things. So, if you are really thinking for VAPT, talk to your vendor or check your document with periodic assessment and be safe and keep your data safe. Thank you.